Do you want to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to explore the fascinating world of YouTube growth, emphasizing why gaining subscribers is so crucial. It can be a daunting task, we know, but with a pinch of strategy and a sprinkle of consistency, it's not just a dream, it's achievable. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey into the realm of rapid subscriber growth. Stay tuned as we delve into a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this milestone. First things first, always prioritize quality over quantity. In this vast ocean of digital content, it's your high-quality videos that will act as a lighthouse, drawing viewers to your channel like moths to a flame. Imagine your favorite TV show or movie. What makes you come back for more? It's the captivating storyline, the compelling characters, the production quality, and that's exactly what your viewers are looking for on YouTube. Your content should be engaging, unique, and valuable. It should resonate with your viewers, spark their curiosity, and leave them wanting more. This is the magic formula for attracting and retaining subscribers. Don't be a jack of all trades and master of none. Instead, find your niche, hone your craft, and deliver top-notch content consistently. If you make your viewers feel that every second they spend on your channel is worth it, they'll stick around. Remember, your content is the backbone of your channel. Make it count. Now let's talk about the significance of consistency. Imagine you've discovered a fantastic new restaurant. The food is delicious, the ambiance is just right, but the restaurant only opens sporadically, without any regular schedule. Would you keep going back? Probably not. The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. Consistency in posting is like a promise to your subscribers. It's an assurance that you'll always be there, providing the content they've come to love and expect. A regular posting schedule not only helps in retaining your current subscribers, but it also plays a vital role in attracting new ones. Think about it. If someone stumbles upon your channel and sees that you're regularly uploading quality content, they're more likely to hit that subscribe button. Consistency helps in building a loyal audience base, a community that looks forward to your next video, so keep a regular schedule and stick to it. Consistency is not just key, it's the lock, the door, and the whole house. Ever heard of SEO? It's not just for websites. When it comes to YouTube, optimizing your channel can be a game changer. It's all about making your content easily discoverable. This means using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions in your videos, and ensuring that they align with what your potential viewers are searching for. But optimization isn't just about the back-end stuff. It also involves the face of your videos, your thumbnails and titles. An attractive thumbnail can spark curiosity, while a compelling title can draw viewers in. These elements work together to increase your click-through rates. The more people click on your videos, the more views, and eventually, the more subscribers you'll gain. Think of it this way, your channel is a book, and these optimizations are your cover and blurb. They set the stage for what viewers can expect, so make them count. Remember, the easier it is for people to find you, the more subscribers you'll get. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of social media and collaborations. Harnessing the potential of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn can significantly boost your visibility. Share your videos, create engaging posts, and interact with your followers on these platforms. This not only helps to reach a wider audience, but also establishes a more personal connection with them. Now let's talk about collaborations. Teaming up with fellow YouTubers in your niche can be a game changer. This cross-promotion strategy allows you to tap into their audience base, providing an opportunity to attract new subscribers to your channel. It's a win-win situation. Remember, the YouTube community thrives on collaboration and mutual support. Think of it like this: your channel is a small fish in a vast ocean. By leveraging social media and collaborations, you're essentially casting a wider net, increasing your chances of catching more fish. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you'll hit that 1,000 subscriber mark in no time. To quickly recap what we've discussed today, remember that quality content trumps quantity every time. Consistency in posting will help to build your audience's trust and anticipation. Optimize your channel to make it easily discoverable and appealing. Don't forget to leverage social media and collaborations to expand your reach and gain more exposure. It's a multi-pronged approach, but one that will pay dividends. Implement these steps, stay patient, and you'll see your subscriber count rise. Thanks for watching.